Welcome to today's traffic quiz. Can you figure out which vehicle should pass the intersection first? Let's test your road knowledge. Question 1. Look carefully at the picture. 3 vehicles are approaching the intersection: the red truck, the yellow car, and the blue car. Which one should pass first? Option 1. The red truck. 2. The blue car. 3. The yellow car. 4. All vehicles at the same time. You have 10 seconds to choose the correct answer. Think carefully. The correct answer is Option 3. The yellow car goes first. Here's why. The blue car is on the main road and is going straight, so normally it has priority over the red truck. But since the yellow car is approaching from the blue car's right side, the blue car must yield under the "give way to the right" rule. The red truck must wait last because it is turning left across both cars. So the order is first the yellow car, then the blue car, and finally the red truck. Question 2. The blue car wants to continue driving, but the road ahead is blocked due to construction. Which vehicle should the blue car yield to first? Option 1. The red truck. 2. The yellow van. 3. Both vehicles. 4. Neither vehicle. You have 10 seconds to make the right choice. Think carefully. The correct answer is Option 2. The yellow van. Here's why. The yellow van is already on the main road and has the right of way. The blue car must yield to it before merging. The red truck can't go first because it's entering from a side road. The blue car does not need to yield to it first because it must wait for traffic already on the main road. Yielding to both is unnecessary. Only the vehicle on the main road, the yellow van, takes priority in this situation. If the blue car proceeds without yielding, it risks colliding with the yellow van, which has priority. Question 3. 3 cars reach an uncontrolled intersection at the same time. The red car is signaling left. The blue car is signaling left. And the white car is also signaling left. With no signs or lights, which car should pass the intersection first? Option 1. By common agreement among the drivers. 2. The blue car. 3. The white car. 4. The red car. You have 10 seconds to choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option 1. By common agreement among the drivers. Here's why. All 3 vehicles are making left turns. At an uncontrolled intersection, left-turning vehicles must yield to oncoming traffic. Since each car is oncoming to another, there's no automatic first mover. That creates a tie. In this situation, the safest choice is to communicate, make eye contact, use a hand wave, or light tap of the horn. So one driver proceeds first, then the others follow in turn. Safety and clear communication come before theory, so proceed by common agreement. Great job making it to the end of the video. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments and challenge a friend to see if they can beat it. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more driving rules quizzes. Keep practicing, stay safe, and see you in the next video.